Alright, let's dive into thread versus runnable versus callable. This is a medium-level question that comes up frequently in Java interviews, and it trips up a lot of candidates. It falls under multithreading, and understanding this deeply will set you apart. Let's get into it. There are three ways to define a task for concurrent execution. Extending thread class, your class is a thread, can override run. Implementing runnable, your class defines a task, run, returns void, can't throw checked exceptions. Implementing callable, like runnable but returns a result and can throw exceptions. Callable is used with execute service and returns a future. Now, why does this matter in interviews? This tests your understanding of Java's concurrency model. The evolution from thread runnable callable completable future shows Java's approach to making concurrent code safer and more flexible. Let me go deeper. Extending thread wastes your single inheritance slot and mixes task logic with thread management. Runnable separates the task from the thread. The same runnable can run on different threads or thread pools. Callable was added in Java 5 alongside execute service because runnable's limitations, no return value, no checked exceptions, made it impractical for real concurrent tasks. Future wraps a callable's result, and completable future, Java 8, adds composability. Let's look at the code for thread versus runnable versus callable. I'll walk you through each section. First, notice that 1. Extending thread, least flexible. Then, 2. Implementing runnable, better, separates task from thread. Then, 3. Callable, returns a value plus throws exceptions. Then, submit to executor service get a future. And finally, best practice, use executor service plus callable. Take a moment to study this code. The patterns here will come up in your interviews. Now, let's talk about the gotchas, the traps that catch people in interviews. First, a warning, don't call run directly. Thread.run executes in the current thread. You must call thread.start to create a new thread. Here's a dangerous trap, future.get blocks. Calling get on a future blocks the calling thread. Use get, timeout, unit, or completable future for non-blocking alternatives. And a pro tip, prefer executors over raw threads. Never create threads manually in production. Use executor service, it manages thread lifecycle, pooling, and scheduling. Keep these edge cases in mind. Interviewers specifically test for these. So here's the key takeaway. Don't extend thread. Use runnable for fire and forget tasks, callable when you need a result. Always use executor service for thread management. And for your interview strategy, show the evolution, thread, bad, runnable, better, callable plus executor service, best. Explain why each improvement was needed. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Java interview prep. Let's nail that next interview.